Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the first line I have spatial audio. You may have it at the middle or at the bottom. It depends on your phone, and also you cannot find these settings at your Apple device, and not all Android phones have this feature, so you may have it. Now to enable it you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!